I'm Corentin and I run Butter Pastry, and today I am cooking as much as I can over the fire. There's going to be creme brulees, roast marshmallows and oat milk hot chocolates. It's really exciting to actually be customer facing and to get to meet the faces of the people who are eating the food. I think that's my favourite part of the job actually. Kids are going to be roasting their own marshmallows, adults roast their own marshmallows. My only concerns about this event is that it doesn't get the support it deserves.